Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make WordPress landing pages using an easy method. We will begin by setting up your foundation. First, ensure you have a reliable hosting provider and WordPress installed. Then, select a user-friendly page builder plugin, which is crucial for simplifying the design process. There are many excellent options available, often with free versions to get you started. Install and activate your chosen plugin, and you will be ready for the next step in just a few moments. Now, let's dive into designing your landing page. Most page builders offer hundreds of pre-designed templates, saving you significant time. Alternatively, you can start with a blank canvas for complete creative control. Drag and drop elements like headlines, images, and forms onto your page. Remember to customize the colors, fonts, and spacing to match your brand. Aim for a visually appealing layout that captures attention within the first 3 seconds. Every effective landing page needs key elements to convert visitors. Start with a strong headline that grabs attention and clearly states your offer. Follow this with high-quality images or a short video, which can increase engagement by over 80%. Crucially, include a prominent call-to-action button, perhaps in a contrasting color, with clear, action-oriented text. Consider adding 1 or 2 testimonials to build trust and provide social proof for your offering. Finally, it is time to publish and optimize your landing page. Before going live, always preview your page on different devices, like mobile phones and tablets, to ensure it is fully responsive. Once satisfied, hit the Publish button and share your unique URL. Remember, the work does not stop here. Use analytics to track performance, looking at metrics like conversion rates. Make small, iterative adjustments based on your data to continuously improve your page's effectiveness over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.